Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, in this video, we are going to be talking about the moderate risk live stream, for the moderate risk. So as we see here, we have two tornado warnings, so let's actually go right and see the velocity real quick. Let's see the velocity real quick. I'm just doing some stuff real quick. So at the moment we have two tornado warnings still in effect, as you should see on your screen. Sorry, my thing's kind of lagging a little bit. Sorry about that. So as you see, two tornado warnings. Cannot really see the area of this tornado warning down here, but looking like right here is the general area. Let me put that. I am sorry. I am just trying to figure out some stuff. Oh, I understand now. Okay, well, sorry about that, but as there should be, let me auto update is on and let me refresh it real quick. That tornado warning should be gone, and then now we see another tornado warning, probably from you or big. I only need those three stuff. So, and let me change the color to teal, because my logo, if you don't know, is teal. I need a new logo for fall, actually. So actually the radar, or the main radar, is actually in Joliet at the moment. So the area which catches my eye is right here for the tornado warning, but it must be this entire strip, that box. And then now I am going to try and circulate all, well, after, if I can stop at the last frame. Thank you. Come again. So right here you see some circulation. Right here you see some circulation. Right here looks probably the best. So if I was NWS, I would put a tornado warning right here, and it's looking like it's moving this way. So if you are in this general area, stay on the lookout because you might get a tornado warning. So I'm just going to be talking about the power outages real quick. So Iowa, you have 465,000 power outages. Illinois, you have 82,000 power outages. Nebraska has 23 power outages. 23,000. Indiana has 6,000 power outages. Wisconsin has 6,000 power outages. And I bet you the Illinois number will just keep rising. Due to this. So the general areas I'm seeing is A, up here, B, here, C, and then D. To make more A, B, C, and D. So we got A, B, C, and D. So we have two possibilities, and we just got the newest refresh. Oh, why are you going the other way? Hey. A, from the new update. B, moving right into Joliet. A, B, and still C. So there's a few. Let's get NWS Ed up real quick. And let's get the hazards and let's see, has there been any confirmed tornado warnings as of looking here? No and no. So this is the newest tornado warning. A tornado warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 4 p.m. CDT. At 3:26 p.m. CDT, severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes and extremely damaging wind gusts were located along a line extending from St. Charles to North Aurora to near Oswego, moving east at 60 miles per hour. The hazard is tornado. The source is radar indicated tornado. There's a lot here. So, impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged and or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Bartlett, West Chicago, Warrenville, Maine, and DuPage Airport around 3:30 p.m. CDT. Naperville, Coldstream, Hanover Park, Lissau, Bloomingdale, and Winfield around 3:35 p.m. CDT. I am going to show my screen at the moment so you can see it. So let me do that real quick. Nice. Wheaton, Donalds Grove, Romeoville, Addison, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, Lockport, Roselle, and Crest Hill this storm will be around all those cities around 3:40 p.m. CDT. I am so sorry if you hear any whining in the background. It is my doggo. Boiling Brook, Elmhurst, Lombard, Elk Grove Village, Homer Glen, Hinsdale, Lemar, Oak Brook, Westmont, and Darien around 3:45 p.m. CDT. Franklin Park, Bull Bridge, Willowbrook, Hillside, and Willow Springs around 3:35. And just saying one thing, that is not in this area. Well, I don't think so. No, it isn't. Some might be, but not all. Other locators impacted by this tornadic storms will include Medina, Preston Heights, Crystal Lawns, Oakbrook Terrace, York Central, Fairmount, Rockdale, and Berkeley. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, University of St. Francis, Benedictine University, College of DuPage County Fairgrounds, Juilliard Junior College, Juliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, Morton Arboretum, Wheaton College, and North Central College, including the following interstates: I-55 between mile markers 251 and 256, I-80 between mile markers 128 and 144, I-88 between mile markers 121 and 140, I-290 between mile markers 5 and 15, I-35 between mile markers 1 and 7, and between mile markers 11 and 34, I-355. Singing Bird, yes, it will be hitting Chicago. Probably not that high. Probably more like maybe like 70 to 80, 90 possibly. Let me just change this to only severe thunderstorm warnings. Look at this. Just look at it. Look at all this. Look how many severe thunderstorm warnings there are. Let's see the area of where this general region is real quick, because I want to see. So start from right here, going on down, moving till here, kept on going down, keep all the way down there, pop, boop, pop. So that general region that you see right there is 65,000 square miles, which is kind of insane. It is now refreshing. Now it should refresh. Guess it ain't gonna refresh for us, because it says the age is 5 minutes. So guess this thing needs to wait. So here, let me see. We can't wait any longer. You need to update. 2, 1. It should change the age of the minutes. Guess it doesn't want to load. Okay, well that's poop. So it's looking here from what we can see on the NWS, not the NWS ad, on the NWS radar image. We don't really see a lot of greens touching reds, and 2, this is right next. But we do see one spot where I could say tornado warning is imminent. It is very good rotation from what we are seeing. Very good rotation. Still don't know why it ain't loading. Okay, well, it's back to 5. That's good. Excuse me. Where is the... That's a cool map. I want the... Don't want that. What's the one that I want? Well, guess we'll go with the... One sec. Go. I wonder if... No, I don't think skyscrapers will fly around like pencils. Maybe if somebody's doing window washing, then maybe. But I don't think so. I don't think if skyscrapers will be flying around like pencils. And that is just funny to think. So we have this tornado warning has now expired, and now we only have this tornado warning that is still an issue. Issued that has issued. Oh, I cannot speak. Okay, whoa. That was a big update. Thank you. You finally updated. Okay, now we are going right bulk into it. So it's looking like this tornado or wherever it is right here. So a tornado warning for northeastern DuPage County and northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County and northeastern Illinois until 4:30 p.m. CDT. At 3:42 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Elmhurst, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Yeah, it does sound pretty scary if skyscrapers would just be flinging around like pencils. I'm just thinking of a skyscraper flinging around like a pencil and just bashing into places. I do not want that to happen. Well, the hazard is a tornado and the source is radar indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged and or destroyed. Damage to roofs and windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is also likely. So, this dangerous storm will be near Norwich, Elmwood Park, River Forest, and River Grove around 3:50 p.m. CDT. Oak Park, Austin, Dunning, Portage Park, Belmont Cragen, Morton Grove, and Harwood Heights at around 3:55 p.m. CDT. Irving Park, Westtown, Westridge, Albany Park, Logan Square, Humboldt Park, and Lincolnwood around 4 p.m. CDT. Chicago, Evanston, Lakeview, Lincoln Park, Uptown, Rogers Park, and Edgewater around 4 or 5 p.m. CDT. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Jefferson Park, Stone Park, North Park, Gulf, Forest Glen, North Central, Berkeley, Lincoln Square, Medina, and York Central. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Oakton Community College, Triton College, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, and Wrigley Field. Wow, Wrigley Field. Okay, well, that's different. So, as we see here, okay, well, that's not it. So, wow, that's a lot of tornado warnings. Whoa. Including the following interstates: I-88 near mile marker 140, I-90 between mile marker 72 and 84, I-94 between mile markers 31 and 48, I-290 between mile markers 3 and 16, I-294 between mile markers 31 and 48, I-35 between mile markers 27 and 30. That's a lot of tornado warnings. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tornado warnings. And the north of Chicago, Evantown, is in a tornado warning. Let's see the elongated one real quick. Is there any other tornado warnings? No. Could I shrink you? No, I can't. But I can expand you. You need to be shrunken. Oh, I can't shrink. Well, that's sad. Well, I know that you can move off of my screen. Sorry. But this is just way too many tornado warnings. Also, so yeah. This tornado warning. A tornado warning for Northern Lake County in Northeastern Illinois and Northern Mchenry County in Northeastern Illinois. There is. Until 4:45 p.m. CDT. At 3:44 p.m. CDT, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Hebron or 7 miles north of Woodstock, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The hazard is tornado. The source is radar indicator rotation. Impact is flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter, mobile homes, or la. These dangerous storms will be near Bull Valley around 3:50 p.m. CDT, Wendell Lake around 3:55 p.m. CDT, Mchenry, Spring Grove, Richmond, McCollum around 4 p.m. CDT, Johns Border and Lake Moore around 4:05 p.m. CDT, Fox Lake, Pistakee, Highlands, Willow, and Channel Lake around 4:10 p.m. CDT, Round Lake, Long Lake, and Lake Catherine around 4:15 CDT, not PDT. Round Lake Beach, Grace Lake, Antioch, Lake Avila, Leidenhorst, and Venetian Village around 4:20 p.m. CDT, Gage Lake and Grandwood Park and Thornton Lake around 4:25 p.m. CDT. Yeah. Singing board. Well, we hope not. We hope nobody might bite the dust, but this tornado activity is intense, I have to say. But I don't think people. Maybe one person might if they're caught at the wrong time at the wrong place, but I don't want that to happen, and nobody wants that to happen. Nobody wants to bite the dust. Unless if you want to, then you want to. But other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fox Hills, Russell, Greenwood, Old Mill Creek, Ringwood, Round Lake Heights, and Haynesville. Also, if you know anybody that lives in this tornado warnings section, tell them that they are in a tornado warning and they need to be in shelter, and or share this live stream with them and share this live stream with anybody else. This tornado warning includes Chain O Lake State Park, College of Lake County, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, and Six Flags Great America. including the following interstates: I-94 between mile markers 1 and 14, and I-294 between mile markers 1 and 14. Yeah, there might be a few flying cows. That would definitely be weird if there's a flying cow and you just see a flying cow bashing into your house. Oh, I don't know why, but tell me if you guys see this. With the radar imagery, whenever I load, am I silly, or does this kind of look like a shrinking Italy? Or like a thinner Italy? I don't know if that's just me or if it's me. But let's talk about these two tornado warnings. There are a lot of tornado warnings, I have now noticed. Okay, good about that. A tornado. Whoa. Sorry about that. Didn't mean that. Sorry. Also, can you hear me? That's just my first question. Can you hear me? If you can't, then yeah. But can you guys hear me? Okay, good. Thank you, singing board. Thank you. Okay, so tornado warning for Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:15 p.m. CDT. At 3:44 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Channel Lake or over Camp Lake, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard is tornado and quarter-size hail. Source is radar indicated rotations. Impact is flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur, and tree damage is also likely. Hello, Lassie News. Hello. How are both of y'all today? Singing Board and Lassie News. But locations impacted include Kenosha, Pleasant Prairie, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Wheatland, Silver Lake, Trin Lake, Salem, Bristol, Paris, Brighton, Somers, Bassett, and New Munster. Lassie, I am doing fine. I am doing totally fine. I'm just having a bad voice. Well, my voice is getting dry. But let's do this last tornado warning, and then I will just kind of pause it for about till like around, you could say, what, 5:05 p.m. EST, and then I'll start redoing it. So I'll stop in about 3 minutes, and then at around 5:05 I will come back. But a tornado warning for southeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:15 p.m. CDT. At 3:42 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lake Geneva, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The hazard is tornado, and the source is radar indicated rotation. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Oh God. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lake Geneva, Bonos Lake, Vans Lake, Como, Bollington, and Springfield. I definitely need to pause because I am getting a headache. So I'll be back at around 5:05 or 4:05 PM CDT. So we only got 3 tornado warnings. Here. So I'm gonna talk about all of them right now. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you are new so you get notified whenever I create another video and or do another live stream. So a tornado warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. CDT for Northern Lake and Northern Mchenry counties. So that stays the exact same. And then the same tornado warning stays in the exact same for 4:15 p.m. CDT for Central Kenosha County. And then we have a tornado warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. CDT for Northeastern Cook County. Oh, why can't you find any image? You rude. Rude. I'll use all this now. Because that'll definitely be better. Okay, the guy. Okay. Wow, you see severe. What is the line of all these storms? I need to see this real quick. Bop, beep, boop, bop, beep. Woo-hoo. Go there, then go there, then go there. Cruise on up there. Bop, beep. That's around 4,000 miles of severe thunderstorm warnings. That's insane. But this main stretch that we see here, or this main section, I thought it was gonna be smaller. Nope. It's looking like the low pressures are located right around here. And then, so let me see this real quick. From the tip top, all the way heading on down here, and then all the way to like here. So 600 miles from top to bottom. You're in a RBX Gen. Are you in a tornado warning? If you're get into your safe place now. And everybody definitely be safe. This thing hasn't updated yet. Okay, so still have no clue why this thing ain't updating yet. Still ain't updating. In this general now region, which was 6 minutes ago, 952,000 people are in tornado warnings. And as you see, those tornado warnings aren't really big. So we have 278 wind reports and 6 hail reports at the moment. We have tornadoes roar on the ground, which I was not covering, sadly, because there wasn't no tornado warnings. But thankfully, no tornado warnings are in this main section. Most tornadoes are in Minnesota. Well, no, thankfully, but definitely better. Why have you not updated? Hug. 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 If it doesn't update this time, then I am just going to refresh. Okay, something happened here. Will you at least go down a few something? Possibly no. I have no clue what that was. I was hearing some real things in the background. Let's see all these. So still a 60% formation. We now have Hurricane Alita. Yep, we now got Hurricane Alita. Okay. I'll talk about Hurricane Alita after I do these 2 tornado warnings. Think this one is still the exact same. Let it load. Let it load. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:45 PM CDT for Northern Lake and Northeastern Mchenry counties. That is the longitude and latitude. I can edit this. Well, sorry. Never knew I could. But don't edit it. But Hail is 0 inches. The tornado is radar indicated. At 4:15 p.m. CDT, a severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage was located over Lake Villa, moving east at 35 miles per hour. And we are talking about this storm, right? I believe so. Yep. Has a tornado and 80-mile-per-hour winds. Radar indicated rotation. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Vehicle tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Libertyville, Leidenhorst, Greenwood Park, and Thorn Lake around 4:20 p.m. CDT. Gorney and Gages Lake around 4:25 p.m. CDT. North Chicago, Park City, and Radsworth around 4:30 p.m. CDT. While Keegan, Beach Park, Winthrop, Harbor, and Lake Bluff around 4:35 p.m. CDT, and Zion around 4:40 p.m. CDT. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm will include Fox Lake Hills, Russell, Old Mill Creek, Ringwood, Round Lake Heights, Haynesville, and Greenwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a story building. Avoid windows if you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Okay, I am sorry about that. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear this tornado. Take cover now. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. You do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your building. Cool. Let's see this tornado warning. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee/Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for central Keene County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. CDT. What does this mean? It's very disapproving, which it isn't, but until 4:45 p.m. CDT. At 4:09 p.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Union Grove, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Has a tornado. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Union Grove, Raymond, Yorkville, Eagle Lake, Kansasville, and North Cape. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a story building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado is radar indicated and hail is 0.75 of an inch. Just wondering, is there any tornado warnings? Whenever these two tornado warnings finish, or if they keep continuing, I'll keep doing it until there are no tornado warnings for 5 minutes. Well, if you didn't hear me, which nobody did, the tornado warning for Northeastern Mchenry County is canceled. Woo woo woo! You guys might see on the screen, the tornado warning for Central King County is canceled. Woo! So I am now going to set a 5-minute timer. Then, if no tornadoes warning appear in 5 minutes, I will be ending the stream. Oh, you might have saw that, but you might have not saw that. But tornado warning for Northern Lake County is still in effect. At 4:23 p.m. CDT, a severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line winds damage was located over Greenwood Park or over Gorney, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The hazard is tornado, and the source is radar indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Don't know why I sound like a robot. But I do. Um, These dangerous storms will be near North Chicago and Park City around 4:30 p.m. CDT. Waukegan, Beach Park, Winthrop Harbor, and Lake Bluff around 4:35 p.m. CDT. Zion around 4:40 p.m. CDT. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fox Hills, Old Mill Creek, Russell, Round Lake, and Haynesville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are outdoors in a mobile home or a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Tornado radar indicated. Hail 0.00 inches. And bet you that means like formal. Wow. I never knew that they did that, but cool. And thank you for NWS Paulson from Chicago, Romeoville, Boca Hart, don't know how I say his name. But this 5-minute timer can be deleted because we still have a tornado warning that is in effect. It still says 2 tornado warnings, but it seems like this one has been canceled, or is it still, or is something happening with it, and then this one. Oh, cool. The tornado warning for Northern Lake County has been canceled. Okay, so both tornado warnings has canceled. So I can restart the 5-minute timer. That is extremely bad, Freddy and Piggy and Friend. Nori, and that is extremely bad. Yeah, one of our trees fell due to something, and no one got hit though, but the house did. But thankfully, it didn't. And thankfully, that person did not get hit. $15, $14, $13, $12, $11, $10, $9, $8, $7, $6, $5, $4, $3, $2, $1. B2B, doo, B2B, doo. Let's see, has there been any new tornado warnings that I need to know of? If not, then I am going to leave. No tornado warnings. So, guys, I think I have to wrap up this stream here. Make sure to go down below on this video, leave a like, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you get notified whenever I create another video. Bye-bye. And I do hope everybody's safe. God bless. Bye.